Hi, I'm Marie. Today, I want to show you how to make this rectangular floor mat. It's an easy and quick project and can be done in just a few hours. The pattern is called basket weave. It has a somewhat rough texture and dries quickly. It makes an excellent floor mat for the bathroom or kitchen. I recommend using size 4 or larger cotton or cotton blend yarn and size 5 and 6 milliliter hooks for this project. To begin, tie a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 8 plus 6 stitches. I'm looping 86 chains for the size of my mat. I've marked the 86th chain. Next, we'll continue setting up the foundation. Chain 2. This chain 2 counts as a half double crochet stitch. We'll do half double crochet in each chain across. We'll work our stitches into the back bumps. To do a half double crochet, first we yarn over, then insert the hook into the chain and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. A half double crochet is complete. Continue working the half double crochet through the end of this chain. You should finish with 86 half double crochets for the row. By the way, the written pattern is in the description box below this video. Now turn the work over and we'll start working on row 1. Start with a chain 2. This chain 2 counts as a half double crochet stitch. Next, we'll work front post double crochet in the next 4 stitches. To do the front post double crochet, first you yarn over, then insert the hook through the front body of the stitch. Now, complete the stitch as you normally would for a double crochet. Next, we'll do 3 more of the same front post stitches. Two, three, and 4. Here we have 4 front post stitches side by side. Next, we'll do 4 back post stitches. For the back post double crochet, you carry your hook to the back. Insert it from the back through the front of the body of the stitch and pull up a loop. Then complete the double crochet stitch. Here's the view of the back. We also do 4 of the same back post stitches together. For the rest of the pattern, we alternate between 4 front post and 4 back posts until we reach the end of the row. We end the row with a half double crochet stitch. Always start and end with a half double crochet. Now for row 2 and 3, we repeat row 1. We do 3 rows of the same stitches. Here, the first 4 stitches are back post. We'll repeat those for the back post. Start with a chain 2. Then do 4 back post stitches. This is the look from the back side. So, repeat the same stitch pattern for row 2 and 3. Here I've completed 3 rows of the same stitches. You can see the basket weave pattern quite clearly now. Okay, for the next 3 rows, we'll flip the pattern. We'll put front post on the back post and vice versa. These are back post stitches. We'll switch and put front post stitches on them. Do 4 front posts on the back post. And now do the opposite. 4 back posts on the front post. That's the basis of this pattern. We'll switch the stitch pattern every 3 rows until we reach the desired length. Here I've completed 36 rows. It's approximately 22 by 14 inches. We'll complete the mat by adding a 2-inch border. The texture of the front and back post is quite thick. To balance the thickness and heaviness of the mat, I'll use 2 strands of yarn for the border. I'll also increase the hook size from 5 to 6 milliliters. Make a slip knot. You can start anywhere along the 4 sides. Do a standing single crochet. We'll do a single crochet in each stitch across. Here we are at the last stitch on this side. Do a single crochet. Then chain 2. The 2 extra chains help make the turn smooth. Pivot the mat and we'll be working on the next side. Make another single crochet in the same stitch. So there are altogether 4 stitches in the same corner stitch. A single crochet, 2 chains, and a single crochet. Repeat this same pattern on all 4 corners. Next, we'll do single crochets along the edge until we reach the other corner. As you can see, there are no defined stitches to work with on the sides. We'll just put our stitches on as evenly and flat as we can. It will all work out. I've done 4 rows. That's it. Our floor mat is done. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.